Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare coconut gujiyas. So the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are, I have taken here 200 grams of maida, that is the all-purpose flour, 100 grams of suji, semolina. Here I have taken one small coconut and I have desiccated it like this. This is 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, that is elaichi powder. You get this ready-made in the market. I am using the ready-made one. Little bit of peanuts. If you don't like peanuts, you can replace them with any other nuts like cashew nuts, almonds. 3 tablespoons of ghee, and I am going to use 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you want your gujiyas to be more sweet, you can increase the amount of sugar. If you don't want it too sweet, you can reduce the amount of sugar. We'll be frying the gujiyas in the oil, and then I'm going to use lukewarm water to knead the dough for the gujiya. So let's get started. So our first step, we will take little bit ghee, 1 tablespoon ghee, and we will mix it with the maida. And then we will knead a dough using the lukewarm water. Okay, so now we will add little lukewarm water and we will knead it into a dough. The dough should not be soft. To make a crispy gujiya, we need the dough to be little hard. Our dough is done. It's not very soft, neither very hard. So now I will leave this aside for some time. Just cover it and keep it aside. Meanwhile, I am going to make the stuffing. So the first step is I'll heat one kadhai and I will add the remaining ghee into that kadhai. I will add the coconut. Over a medium flame, roast the coconut. Add the suji also, semolina. Sugar so that it caramelizes. And now over a low flame, we are going to roast all three of this together. As you can see friends, it is slightly roasted. This is the time I'll add the peanuts. Mix it. I'll also add the cardamom powder. And now I will roast it for another 2 to 3 minutes over a medium flame. So here is our stuffing ready. We'll put off the flame and we will transfer it to a bowl. Now the mixture is ready. So we will make small balls out of this dough, just like how we make for the puris. So I'll take one dough, I'll dip it in the flour and I'll try to roll it. We have to roll it very thin. So after rolling it, friends, roll it out and then take the stuffing and place it in one side of the rolled maida. Then we'll take water and we will seal the edges like this. We'll just put water on the edges so that it becomes easy for us to seal the edges. Then we will take this second half and we will just press it gently. As you can see, it is sealed. Now we'll give it a pattern. How we'll make the pattern? Just put little water. Take the edge, fold it in. Now this is the edge, fold it in. This is the edge, fold it in. Again this is the edge, we fold it in. So we will do this and we'll get a very nice design. So now as you can see, it has got a beautiful design. So I will place it in a plate and keep it ready for frying. So I'll repeat the same with the other dough also. So here is our gujiyas folded and ready to fry. Here I have heated oil. And now I'm going to fry the gujiyas. The oil should not be too hot, friends, or else there will be bubbles in the gujiyas. Over a medium flame, fry the gujiyas till it turns nice and brown in color, golden brown in color. So friends, now as you can see, it has become nice and golden in color. So I will take this out from the oil, drain the oil nicely. And then we'll place a kitchen towel on a plate and then I will put the gujiyas there, so that all the remaining excess oil will be drained out. I'll repeat the same. I will again put the other gujiyas and fry them. Please fry them over medium flame. The oil should not be heated too much or else there'll be bubbles coming up on it. So here is our yummy gujiyas ready. It's crispy, as you can see. Nice and crispy. Let it cool down. Do not cover it now. It might become soggy. So please do not cover it now. Let it be like this. And once it's cooled, you can store it for a week in a container and have this. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon.